our solar system. The family of 10 planets that go around the Sun is called the solar system. Sun is the central star. The entire solar system orbits the center of a galaxy, the Milky Way. Most of astronomers believe that the Sun and the solar system were born when a huge cloud of gas and dust collapsed under the pull of its own gravity. The other bodies are 10 planets and their moons, asteroids, comets and meteoroids. In order of their distance from the Sun, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto and Theia. Here are some facts about the solar system. A. There are 61 known moons in our solar system. B. Diameter of the central star, Sun, of the solar system is 1,392,000 kilometers. C. On Mars, there is a volcano over twice the height of Everest. Now we will talk about a main star and its planets. Sun. The Sun is the biggest star in our sky. It is about 5 billion years old and will continue to shine for another 5 billion years in the similar fashion it is doing now. Temperature at the surface of the Sun is about 6,000 degrees Celsius, but the temperature at the core of the Sun is about 15 million degrees Celsius. And the facts are: A. It is composed of hydrogen and helium. B. Its average temperature is 9,900 degrees Celsius. C. Its rotating period at equator is 25.4 days. D. It is 400 times bigger as compared to Moon. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of about 58 million kilometers. Since it is the nearest planet to the Sun, it moves faster than any other planet, traveling at an average speed of nearly 48 kilometers per second and completes an orbit in just under 88 days. Its one day is equal of 58.6 days of the Earth, and the average distance of Mercury from the Sun is 36 million miles. Venus. Venus is a rocky planet and the second planet from the Sun. It is slightly smaller than Earth and has in all probability a similar internal structure consisting of a semi-solid metal core surrounded by rocks and crust. One day of Venus is equals 243 days of Earth. 1 year of Venus includes 225 days. Earth. The Earth, which is our very own planet. Its main surface features, which are visible from the space, are the vast masses of land, the ocean, and the ice caps of the North and South Pole. The Earth is unique in being the only planet in the solar system with liquid water on its surface. 1 day of Earth is of 23 hours 56 minutes. Mars. Mars is the rocky planet fourth most distant from the Sun, the first three being Mercury, Venus and Earth. It is a barren planet. Mars is a small world, about 1/2 of the Earth in diameter and 1/10 of its mass. It's called a red planet because its surface appears blood red like the surface of a ground after a bath. 1 day of Mars equals 24.6 days of Earth. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the first of 4 giant planets full of gas. Jupiter is considered to be the king of all the planets because it is more massive than all the other planets put together. It is large enough to contain more than 1,300 Earths inside it. Saturn. Saturn is the 6th farthest planet from the Moon, the most distant known in ancient times. It is one of the 4 giant planets and is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, was discovered by William Herschel through the horoscope he had made himself, and it was the first planet to be discovered through the telescope. It is having 11 faint rings. Neptune. Neptune was discovered by German astronomer Johann Galle in 1846. It was the first planet to be discovered as a result of predictions. The wind of Neptune can reach 2,000 kilometers per hour, the fastest intra-solar system. Pluto. Pluto is the smallest, coldest, and the outermost planet in the solar system. It was discovered and identified in 1930 by the American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. Xena. A space object nicknamed Xena has been retrieved by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, but it is still bigger than Pluto. It is one of the icy bodies in the Kuiper belt. It is 15 billion kilometers away from Earth.